everyone, this is Rupa again. I'm working for Healthy Communities Services and I'm here to share another simple recipe, 3-can chili. So here's the ingredients. We have a can of red kidney beans, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of corn. So first thing we do is we drain the water from the kidney beans. And we are going to use a pot to cook the 3-can chili. So the kidney beans are already in there. Then we drain the corn. Make sure all of it is out of the can. And then you can use that to put it in the same pot. You can use your hands if you like, or use a spatula. Then we have the diced tomatoes. We don't have to do any draining in this. Add the tomatoes as they are. Put it on medium heat. Give it a nice stir. But before that, we are going to also add red chili powder. So I have taken half teaspoon of chili powder. I'm going to add that in there and let it cook on medium heat until it's done. So this is how it looks. It's nice and colorful actually. It's really looking very nice together. So the benefits of this is you can use it in many different ways. You can either eat this as a soup. You can also eat it with rice. You can add meat to it, meat of your choice, and make it a nice healthy dinner, or you can make a burrito out of it. So this is a very versatile recipe. I'm sure you'll enjoy after you've cooked. Our chili is almost prepared now, so I am glad to help you with the process of using chili. So first thing I'll do is I'll serve the chili in a bowl. That's how it is served, and sprinkle some cheese on it. Here's the chili. And so this again is a recipe where you can store this in your refrigerator for 2 weeks. You can also freeze it for a month. It's so versatile and yet so easy and delicious to cook. I am sure you love my recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again.